Good morning, Mark Bruno here at Drupa, day 5, and we are in hall 6 with Graphic Whizard. Did I say that right, Chris?
Yeah, you sure did.
Chris Harrington's VP of Sales, Graphic Whizard.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about, I'm here on my American quest, and I know you're up in Canada, right?
Well, we're based out of Canada, but majority of our sales are United States, and we have probably as many people in the United States now as we do Canada employees.
Okay.
Yeah.
So give us a little elevator pitch on what you're here selling.
So Graphic Whizard, I mean, as far as Graphic Whizard, what we're actually not so much selling. We're working with our factories that that make the machines that we brand as Graphic Whizard, and we still do manufacture numbering and perforating machines in Canada that get distributed around the world. So we do have those in one of our partner booths here as well. We're sharing a booth here. So we have 8 different lines or segments of machines with about 50 different models. So for print finishing. So short run, digital sheet size, 12, 18, 13, 19, short run digital finishing. So slitting, cutting, creasing, perfing, folding, laminating, UV coaters, corner rounding, perfect binding, guillotines. So whatever a small printer needs, small to medium sized printer needs outside of a printing device to earn money in the printing industry. So we are the finishing. We're the converting for digital print.
Excellent. And tell us a little bit, Chris, about the manufacturers that you're working with. Where are they from?
Yeah, so we do a lot of manufacturing overseas in China. So then we co-brand. Of course, a lot of the best brands in the world are made in China, like Apple and Ray-Ban and Bose, and a lot of these brands in America that are our favorite and most expensive are made in China, like Graphic Whizard. So we work here with our factories to make sure that we're giving Americans what they need and want out of a machine. So we control the quality and what's the future. So we do a lot of that at these shows as well as meeting our American end users and distributors that come to Drupa to show them what's new and up and coming with Graphic Whizard.
And I know you mentioned small and medium-sized PSPs, print service providers, but I know you have some big customers too. So you're kind of all across the board.
Right.
It sounds like.
So we have distributions. We have small, smaller dealers, traditional dealers by state, but then we have national resellers like Konica Minolta and Xerox, and also Ricoh. We're doing a project here with Ricoh in line with our slitter cutter creaser. So we sell through national brands as well as smaller regional distributors and very large copier dealers. So all across America.
And large commercial printers as well.
So large commercial printers that would be running a 40-inch Komori also have a 1319 digital press. And how do they finish those digital press sizes? They don't want to bring it to their big finishing machines that'll take lots to make ready. They want to put it on a machine, press a green button like they did on their digital press. They want to do that on their finisher, and it comes out the other end finished. Perforated, cut, slit, scored, and that's converting on digital sheets is what we do, trying to automate as much as possible.
Yeah, it's fascinating, the global network. The machines come from China, you're in Canada, and then you've got, I think you said Toronto and Buffalo are your
right.
US
Our biggest
office.
market is United States. So it's all, we co-brand with certain manufacturers, with certain factories like Synajet and Ojitec. But it's always a Graphic Whizard brand. So we are the brand, and some of our major long-term factories we are co-branding with in America.
Great.
It's been a good partnership.
Well, we appreciate your time and wish you a great second half of Drupa.
Yeah, and I appreciate your time and look forward to working with you in America.
Thanks, Chris.
Yeah, thank you, Mark.